Tired of missing out on incredible NBA action? Let's get you courtside, right from your couch, by setting up NBA League Pass on your smart TV in less than 2 minutes. First, power on your smart TV and head to the apps section. This might be called the App Store, Google Play Store, or something similar depending on your TV brand. Look for the icon resembling a shopping bag or a grid of squares. Next, use the search function, usually a magnifying glass icon, and type NBA League Pass. Once you find the NBA League Pass app, select it, then click the install button. Wait for the download to complete. The progress will be displayed on screen. After the app is installed, select Open to launch it. You'll now be presented with the login screen if you already have an NBA League Pass account. Enter your username and password. If not, select the sign up option to create a new account. You can do this directly on your TV or, for easier typing, on your computer or phone, and then log in here. Once logged in, you'll see the main menu, showcasing live games, replays, and other content. Navigate using your remote to find the game you want to watch and press OK to start streaming. Experiencing buffering or video quality issues? Try restarting your TV and router. Also, ensure your TV's software is up to date. If problems persist, check the NBA League Pass Help Center for more specific troubleshooting. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy non-stop NBA action on your smart TV. Now grab some snacks, settle in, and cheer on your favorite team.